in a minute. Ask, what are you eating?
Halwa.
Halwa. It's good?
It's very hot for your butt.
Okay. I want to do. Don't worry. It's for you only.
It's not for you only.
You, for you and Bhaiya.
No.
No.
I'll-
Why?
I'll eat it all up.
All right. Okay.
This is the
But that's not fair.
Ask
Give
it's good
some-
easier.
Share something to Bhaiya also, Mama also, Papa also.
and Mommy also.
Nice.
Mama also.
Yeah, you are a very, very, very cute baby. Yeah?
Look my dress.
Yes,